Vision. The human body is automatically able to convert stimulus energy into neural messages. In vision, this can be seen when our eyes receive light energy and transduce or transform the energy into neural messages, which the brain then processes into what we see. Light energy is the stimulus to our eyes and is pulses of electromagnetic energy, which our visual system recognizes as color. What we see is a thin slice of the whole spectrum of electromagnetic radiation. We see color or hue based on the intensity or amount of energy. How we see. Light enters our eye, which passes initially through the cornea, which protects the eye, as well as provides focus. After it passes through the pupil, it is regulated by the iris to control the amount of light entering the eye. The iris dilates in response to two things, light intensity and emotion. After passing the iris, the lens focuses the incoming rays into an image by changing their degree. This is known as accommodation. The eye's light-sensitive surface on which rays focus on is multi-layered tissue, the retina. These are diagrams of how the eye appears. The light energy first makes its way from the retina's outer layer to its buried receptor cells, known as rods and cones. When light energy hits these rods and cones, it produces chemical changes which generate neural signals. These signals activate the nearby bipolar cells, which activate ganglion cells. The axons from the ganglion cells come together to form an optic nerve, which carries information to the brain. A blind spot is created where the optic nerve leaves the cell because there are no receptor cells. The rods are what enable black and white vision, and the cones enable seeing color. In dim light, the rods remain sensitive, but cones are ineffectual, which is why you can't see colors in the dark.